Do you ever reach the end of your day and feel like you did nothing? You were busy all day, you moved, you worked, you talked, you scrolled, you rushed from one thing to another. But when you sit down at night and ask yourself, what did I actually achieve today? The answer is nothing important. If this sounds familiar, then this story is for you. Today's lesson is this: being busy is not the same as being productive. In a busy city, there lived two brothers, Adam and James. They grew up in the same house, went to the same school, and started life at the same point. But 5 years later, their lives looked completely different. Adam had built a small, successful business, learned a new skill, stayed healthy, and felt peaceful and happy every day. James was exhausted, he worked long hours, was always stressed, and complained he never had enough time. But he had nothing to show for it. One Sunday, the two brothers met for tea. James looked at Adam and said, I don't understand you. We started at the same point, we had the same opportunities, but you have achieved so much. How? You always seem calm, you never seem rushed. What is your secret? Adam smiled and placed his cup down gently. He said, James, do you remember our uncle's farm? He never watered the whole farm randomly, but he was careful and deliberate. He gave attention to the right plants at the right time, and because of that, his farm always produced the best harvest. James listened quietly. Adam said, most people treat their day like an unplanned farm. They give time and energy to everything: urgent things, unimportant things, distractions. At the end of the day, they are tired, but nothing important has grown. James frowned and said, so, what do you do differently? Adam leaned forward and said, every morning, before I touch my phone, before I speak to anyone, I sit quietly for 10 minutes. I ask myself one question: what are the two or three most important things I must do today? Not 10 things, not 20, just two or three. Then I do those first before anything else. James said, that sounds too simple. Adam nodded and said, the most powerful things in life are always simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. The hard part is saying no to everything else until those important things are done. James went home that evening and thought deeply about his brother's words. He looked at his daily routine honestly. He spent mornings on messages and social media. He answered every call. He jumped between tasks without finishing anything. He said yes to everyone. He was not productive, he was just reactive. The next morning, James tried something new. He did not touch his phone. He sat quietly, wrote down his two most important tasks, and worked on the first one with full focus until it was finished. It felt uncomfortable. His phone buzzed, his mind wandered, but he stayed focused. By noon, both tasks were done. He felt something he had not felt in years: a deep, quiet satisfaction. That evening, he called Adam and said, I understand now. Weeks passed, then months. James slowly became more focused, more calm, and more intentional. And he understood a beautiful truth: productivity is not about doing more, it is about doing what matters most first, consistently, and with full attention. So, what is today's lesson for you? First, start your morning with intention. Before you check your phone or speak to anyone, decide what truly matters today. Write it down, make it clear. Second, do the most important task first. Not the easiest one, not the most comfortable one, the most important one. This single habit will change your life. Third, learn to say no. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to something that truly matters. Protect your life, protect your time like it is your most valuable possession, because it is. And fourth, focus is a skill. Train it daily. Start with short periods of deep focus and build from there. A focused hour is worth more than a distracted day. My friend, you have the same 24 hours as every successful person who ever lived. The difference is not talent or luck, the difference is intention, focused, and doing what matters first every single day. So, tomorrow morning, sit quietly, decide what truly matters. That one small habit can change everything.